Yeah. One shot, one chance. Yeah, I woke up with the weight of the world on my back. Every step that I take feels like I'm under attack, but I fight through the pain, never looking behind. Got a fire in my soul and a war in my mind. They said I would never make it, told me quit while I'm ahead, but I took every doubt